Welcome. In this quick guide, we're updating how to disable all email notifications in Gmail so you only hear what you want when you want it. This is especially handy if your inbox keeps pulling you away from work or study, or you just want a calmer digital life. Let's walk through the steps in a simple, no fuss way. First, open the Gmail app on your device. You'll be ready to adjust settings without juggling multiple tabs or browsers. Next, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and tap it. This opens a side panel with your Gmail options. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where Gmail stores all the controls for your account and notifications. If you have more than one account, be sure you're adjusting the right one by selecting the email address you want to modify. Now, you'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the specific email account for which you want to mute alerts. You're narrowing in on the exact inbox you manage so you won't miss important messages in other accounts. In the account settings, find email notifications. This option controls the push alerts you receive on your phone. Tap on email notifications to open the available choices. Here's where you decide how Gmail should alert you about new mail. Finally, choose none. This selection stops all push notifications for new emails from that specific account. You'll still receive emails, but your phone won't buzz, beep, or show banners for every incoming message. If you ever want to re-enable alerts, return to the same screen and choose a notification option that fits you better, like all or high priority only. To recap, you open the Gmail app access menu, go to Settings, select your account, tap Email Notifications, and pick None. With these steps, your device stops interrupting you with constant emails, giving you space to focus when you need.